Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products, the chest freezers, sliding door, and let's take a look at the overall size. The unit's entirely the length will be 29.5 inches and 35.5 inches tall. And 56 inches wide. And as you can see, the unit is sliding top with glass doors and easily to open it. And you can see the front. We have the controller right here, and they're using the 110 plug US standard, and also have the ETL, UL sanitations at behind the stickers. And let's take a look at the inner side. The overall width will be 24 inches. And the depth about 22.5 inches. Inner side overall length about 50.5 inches. We're having the 1, 2, 3, 4 baskets. For each of the baskets, it's about 23 inches by 12 inches and about 13 inches deep. They also have a stage right here, the compressor at the bottom. So let's see how big the stage. It's about 11 inches from the bottom to the edge. This is all information for the inner side. Thank you for watching this videos. If you have more questions, please contact with us.